guys, my name is Aditi. If you don't know, I'm Jasmine, and today I'm here with my friend
Neha.
And today we're going to be doing the
Best Friend Challenge.
So basically, it is somebody asks us a questions, and we both answer it. So let's get started.
What is your favorite color?
Neha's favorite color is purple.
What's your favorite color, Neha?
It's blue.
Okay. What is Aditi's favorite color?
I think it is pink.
What's Aditi's favorite color?
It's mint green.
Okay, so y'all need to remember your numbers. 0 to 0.
Okay.
When is each other's birthday?
June 12th.
When's your birthday, Neha?
February 24th.
Okay. When is Aditi's birthday?
December 1st.
Okay, ding, ding, ding. Niharika has 1 point, Aditi has 0. Okay, how many brothers or sisters do each people have? You need to say how many sisters, brothers, is it a sister or brother, and what their names are. Own.
Neha has one own sister.
What is her name?
Nikila.
Okay, is that correct, Neha?
Yep.
Okay, Niharika, what about Aditi?
She has one sister. Her name is Janvi.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so 2 to 1. Remember, Niharika has 2, Aditi has 1. What is each other's favorite season?
Summer.
Is that correct?
Wrong.
What is it?
It is spring.
Okay, what is Aditi's favorite season?
I think it's winter.
Is that correct? Nope, what is it?
It's summer.
Okay, still 2 to 1. What is each other's favorite TV show?
Jessie.
Is that correct, Neha?
Wrong.
Nope, what is it?
It is Stories with Dolls and Toys.
That's not a TV show. I'm afraid Aditi's answers count. So Aditi has 2 points. Niharika, what's Aditi's favorite TV show?
I think it's Love and Maddie.
Is it?
No, it's Jessie.
Okay, wow, it's a tiebreaker. 2 to 2. I mean, it's a tie, not a tiebreaker. Okay. What is each other's favorite number? Nope. Aditi goes.
1.
Is that correct? Nope. What is it?
It's 24.
Okay, what is Aditi's favorite number?
7.
Is that correct?
No, it's 5.
Oh.
It used to be 7.
Okay. Still 2 to 2. Where were each other born? Where was each of yeah.
Bangalore.
Wrong. It's Washington.
Okay, where was Aditi born?
North India.
Nope, it's Bangalore.
Okay.
And it's in South India.
2 to 2. What is each other's favorite animal?
Bird?
Is
Wrong.
that what is it?
I don't have any favorite animals.
Well, then Aditi's answer counts. 3 to 2. What is Aditi's favorite animal?
I think it is a dog.
It used to be a dog. Now I love birds.
You love birds. 3 to 2. Aditi's winning. Okay, what is each other's favorite food? Maybe Niharika can catch up for a tie, or Aditi wins. What is each other's favorite food?
Oh, that was okay, yeah. Pizza?
Wrong. It's pasta.
Okay, what is Aditi's favorite food?
I have
Pizza.
No, it's French fries. Cause I had a favorite food, but I couldn't remember it, and then I said pizza because
Okay, so is Niharika's answer correct or wrong?
wrong because I just remembered it was fries.
Okay. So Aditi wins with 3 points. What does the winner do to the loser, Aditi?
Dare?
What dare?
Okay. dare me had to.
Okay, we'll come back to this.